Bill's Alpha. We got the generator back from our friends up at Ace Alternator. We're gonna pop her in. Got a new voltage regulator too. I'm gonna pop in there just for S and G's. And we're gonna fire this baby up. All right, generator's back in with a fresh belt, all hooked back up. We're going to fire it up and ensure this regulator is working before replacing it. I do have a replacement regulator here on hand just in case. Let's see what we got. We were able to get the battery to charge back up, so it was deader than dead. So let's see what we got. So at about 1700 RPM, we've got no dynamo light. Looking pretty good. I'll actually hold the RPM up. We're at about 1500 now. I'll hold the RPM up and check the voltage in a minute here. Let's see what we got. It's gonna be hard to do that while on camera, but then we'll report back. All right, she's ready to go. 12.6 at idle, 14.4 right off idle, about 1200, 1400 RPM. Stays about 14.4 all the way through, so good to go. Regulator on the car was good, didn't need to change it. Did throw a fresh belt on there. The one that was on there originally was so damn tight, there was no way of adjusting it all the way off. I actually had to physically cut it to get it off. So I got a belt that's right in the center, so we have adjustment, we have play, we can get stuff dialed in if we need to. Good to go. I'm gonna pack up, and this one is done.